Beautiful day in Patterson Lakes, heading out with my brother and his kids on my new inflatable Aqua Marina, 3.35 metres, for those who are interested, and an e-propulsion electric motor. It was just so quiet, peaceful, no petrol engine running, even though I've got one and I haven't put it on yet. But tell you, I'm going to put some stats up on the screen to show you what distance we covered, but it's pretty amazing. We're just going along at like 2 kilometres an hour. It could go up to, it could do like 5 knots on full power, but easily an hour and a half at just half speed, half power. We're just out for a bit over an hour, and it was fun because it's pretty hot out there.
Oh, there goes the camera. The house. With concrete, we don't have to send stuff off anywhere.
I've got all 3 of you in the camera. We go around the video around, go to the left a bit, Cole.
Hey?
No, the motor.
Oh. The lift.
That's it. And we're going to go straight up. Which way did we come from? Up there, didn't we?
Try not to run over the seagulls.
Don't move,
Give a thumbs up. Hey.